Alright YouTube, if you stick around today's video, I'm going to show you how we repair a gate that is sagging badly. This particular gate scrapes on the ground. And the reason for that is where the hinges attached to these top rails, the rails are rotted out and they're letting the hinges sag. So we're going to add a board segment here, and back here, and here, down low on the fence, and then we're going to move the hinges to the new wood. So let's get into it. First step, I need to remove this board and this board, which is also going to involve removing this ribbon board, so let's go. We're also going to take this from 3 hinges down to just 2. Back and forth with the hammer, not up and down. Back and forth.
If y'all haven't already, please consider throwing the video a like, throwing the channel a sub, and engaging with my other content. I appreciate your time.
Wasn't much holding those on, to be honest with you. Okay. So again, I'm going to take this down to just 2 hinges because these hinges are about 90-pound rated each. So they can hold 180 pounds and they're currently being asked to hold up this 40-pound gate. A third hinge is just inviting unnecessary squeaks every time you open it. Alright, let's get these cut down into 4 evenly sized pieces. We're going to take our blocks, shim them in here. Next thing I want to do is I want to get it closed. So our latch needs to come up considerably. So we'll handle that in a minute, but for now I want to pry it open. And put a shim in there. Just to kind of overcorrect it towards the open position. I'm going to lift it up. Keeping an eye on the latch here. That's probably about good. We got it overcorrected towards the upside. So now we're going to shim this board in here tightly. So we've got this gate lifted up to where we want it, and we've got it shimmed over to where we're overcorrected a bit. So even if it gives a little back, we'll be in good shape. Now comes moving the hinges. So bring it down just so. I'm going to do 1 bolt. Kind of hold it in place, and I'm going to switch to my T25, put some pilot holes in. Again, these are just to make sure we don't split the wood any. So that looks about level there.
If y'all haven't already, please consider throwing the video a like, throwing the channel a sub, and engaging with my other content. I appreciate your time.
Now we're going to put our bolts in. Same for the bottom. Okay, let's pull our boards and our shims, see how we sit. Nice and smooth. Again, it's not a brand new gate, never will be, but doesn't drag on the ground. Latches up just fine, that's good. So I'm going to reattach the ribbon board. I got a brand new ribbon board for here. Probably throw a few screws in here where the nails are popping. I don't believe in building fences, especially gates out of nails. So ribbon board, these 2 pickets, then we're done here. I'm going to make sure we're using 2-inch screws for this part.
If y'all haven't already, please consider throwing the video a like, throwing the channel a sub, and engaging with my other content. I appreciate your time.
Now again, I'm gonna cut a fresh piece for up here, and that'll be that. Nice smooth close. As you can see, the latch lines up. A person can easily open and close this to 90 degrees with one hand.